The Gold Learning Institute presents Panorama Chapter 2, Class 9. Let's start. Word in a small groups and discuss the following. Which is the golden period of life, childhood, youth or old age? Give reasons for your device. I consider youth as the golden period of life. This is the period when a man works for himself or for the country. In the role of a lover, he is passionately in love with his beloved. He is sad when he is separated from his darling. He slides like the billows of a furnace. He sings sorrowful songs composed in the praise of the beauty of his beloved. At this stage, he acts like a soldier. He has learnt many of leopard. He saves the honor of this country at the risk of his life. He fights in the article. He tries to earn fame howsoever short, lived by jumping before the mouth of a firing cannon. So this is the age for doing something. Why does the man to remain always young? A man always want to young because this is the life in various ways. I consider youth is the period when a man works for himself or for the country. In this stage, a person assumes the role of a lover. He is passionately in love with his beloved. He is sad when he is separated from his darling. He lives slides like the billows of a furnace. He sings sorrowful songs composed in the praise of the beauty of his beloved. At this stage, he acts like a soldier. He has learned many swearing terms. His heart is like that of a leopard. He saves the honor of his country at the risk on his life. He fights in the article. He tries to earn fame howsoever short lived by jumping before the mouth of a firing cannon. So this is the age for doing some things. Answer the following question briefly. Who was Emperor Yayati? Emperor Yayati was one of the ancestors of Pandavas. Did Yayati become old? Who cured him? Yayati became prematurely old for having wronged his wife Devyani. Shukracharya cursed him. Was Yayati devoid of sensual desires? No, Yayati was not devoid of sensual desires. What was the reply of eldest son? Yayati eldest son replied that if he took upon himself, his old age women and servants would mock at him, so he could not do so. Why did he become angry? He became angry as his three sons had declined to do he wished. Answer the following question briefly. What was symptoms of an old man? In the old age, strength and beauty are destroyed. His face wrinkles, his hair becomes grey. He cannot ride on a horse, on an elephant. His speech falters. He has to seek to help of others even to keep his body clean. These are the symptoms of an old man. Who was Puru? Did he accept his father's proposal? Puru was the youngest son of Yayati. Yes, he gradually accepted his father's proposal. Sensual desire is everlasting. Who thoughts in this? This is an Indian ancient thoughts. This is Yayati's thoughts here. How did Yayati resume his old age? When Yayati realized that sensual desires cannot be quenched, he took back his old age and went to the forest to live in life of austere. No corn, gold, castle, and woman satisfy the desire of a man. No, corn, gold, castle, and women do not satisfy the desire of a man. Answer the following question briefly. Why did Yayati become prematurely old? Why did he dislike it? Yayati became prematurely old by the curse of Sukracharya, his father-in-law, having wronged his wife Devyani. Yayati disliked it because old age youth. That was not possible in old, so he disliked. In order to enjoy the pleasure of youth, Yayati wished to take the youth of one of his sons. Was he right in doing so? Explain with argument of your own. Yayati became old due to curse. This was not good. That brought him misery. Everyone has the right to enjoy his life vigorously, but wished to take the youth of one of his sons for his sake and send good in any way. As an old man, Yayati should accept as truth because no pleasure can quench the desire. When in your own words, response of the first three sons to their father's request. When Yayati asked his sons to exchange their youth with his old age, the eldest son said the women and servants would mock at him. The second son declined the proposal by saying that old age destroyed not only strength and beauty but also wisdom, and he was not strength enough to do that. The third son opinioned that in old man cannot ride a horse or an elephant. His speech is faltered, his flight is helpless. How did fourth son respond to his father's appeal? How would you have responded if you were the fourth son? The fourth son begged to be forgiven, as this was a thing he could by no means consent to. An old man has to seek the help of others, even to keep his body clean, a most pitiful plight, no much as he could not do. If I were the fourth son, I took pity on him. I would speak to him politely and did not use hard words at. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.